Well, it's all done. Jeremiah spent tons of time. He's like really good at fixing this stuff. Very happy. So this is a chain making machine from the late 1800s, and it makes 1/2-inch cable, which would be just your single big thick loop chain, like over 16 gauge length. Actually, I think it's for almost like 14 gauge wire or 12 gauge wire. It's pretty heavy gauge. That's why this machine's pretty big. So we've got it on an antique, base, and we put a DC motor on it with a gear reduction. I say we, I mean Jeremiah, and speed control. So check this out. This is really cool. So we have it running slowly because it's more fun that way. If you're just flying, these things really... Just a sec. There it goes. Got to put some belt grip on it. So anyway, we'll do a close-up. I don't have any wire in it yet, but we're gonna. Looks like we need to just do a little bit of belt adjusting. But it's pretty neat just to watch this thing go. There we go, if I speed it up a little bit. Needs to get a little bit of momentum. It's cold right now. Once it's warmed up. Isn't it amazing somebody dreamt this up? So these things would be tooled up to produce one size of chain and one style. This is the feeder right here. This feeds the wire. And there'd be a spool off to the side. This is your straightener right here. So we'll get to that stuff eventually. It's a lot of work getting these things set up and running. They're very complicated, especially when they're all full of crud and haven't been run in years. You can see all the stuff that happens down inside there. This is machine porn at its finest. It's almost graceful. Anyway, thanks for watching.